Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And yes, I know this is a huge surprise, and after a year later I decided to get my locks back. So yes, I have starter locks in. My hair is back to its natural color. Yeah, my hair is back to its natural color, and I also cut my hair too because my hair was damaged because I colored it, I think, like 3 times after I took my locks out. But yeah, so I had got it cut into a bob, and I'll insert the cut that I did have. For those of you that are new to my channel that did not know, I did have starter locks last year around, it was a year ago. I'll insert a picture of the locks that I had before. So yes, my mom gave me some starter locks, and this time she did the interlocking method. I believe that's how you say it, the interlocking method. So this is my hair, this is the side, this is some of the back of my hair, and I absolutely love it. My hair is healthy. My edge is just trying to go in, y'all. It's trying to go in. But I love my hair, and this time go round, I'm ready, I'm more prepared. I love my locks, and I plan to keep them for the rest of my life. For the rest of my life. At that time, I just was not ready. I think I rushed it, and I was just trying to do too much to my locks at that time. Like, I was just trying to do too freaking much. But this year, I'm ready. I'm so excited. I love the way she styled it. I'm going to keep it like pent up for a good while. I'm not going to really like mess with it until I do have a trip that I have coming up at the end of, well, not coming up, at the end of May, and I'm probably going to get like some other style. But for now, I'm just going to leave it like this. Or I may like take the style down and wear it down, or I don't know, but probably, I don't know. I just wanted to come on here and give you guys an update of how my hair is now. Getting locks for the second time, you guys. Please don't come for me in the comments, y'all. I wasn't ready. I was not ready. I was not ready. But this time, a year later, I am ready. I'm excited. And I cannot wait until like the locks start, budding and fluffing out and looking thicker and all of those cute, messy, exciting things that comes with locks. I love it. I really love my hair. And I think I like my locks better in my natural hair color. If I do ever decide to get color, I will probably most likely get it on the tips. I would not color my whole hair. I just prefer not to do that, just because I have very sensitive edges, and I do not want to mess with my edges. I don't want to put too much damage. Like, I just don't. So because I do have very thin edges, I did have her thin edges, I did have her leave like my edges out so that I can pretty much swoop them, and you know, instead of having tension. So if you see my edges going, it's not connected to the hair or anything. I had her leave that out so that I could use that part to swoop and everything. But yeah, I'm just so excited. I'm so freaking excited. And I think I feel the last time when I did get my locks, like I said, I rushed the process, and I didn't really go through, I guess they call it the ugly stage of the locks or something like that. I was just like, I was just not ready. I didn't fully, I guess, enjoy the process because I was so busy trying to rush it. But I'm excited. Even when I did take my locks out, I was still looking at so many pictures on Instagram. Like, I was looking at so many pictures on Instagram, and just like, oh my god, I miss my locks. So I am very excited, and I still will do like wig reviews from time to time, maybe. But yeah, I'm super excited. I'm not going to rush the process this time. I'm going to be patient, and I'm going to enjoy the process. Did I say that already? Yeah, I'm going to enjoy the process, guys. I'm trying to give you guys an up close. I put a little bit too much extra edge, but that's cool. The edge will fade away eventually over time. And I think and maybe in about 2 weeks I'm going to do like a lock count video of how many locks I have. I'll do that for you guys, and another update of how my locks look. I'll wait till the 3rd week. I don't want to wait until 2 weeks because I feel like that's not enough time. So maybe I'll wait the 3rd week and show you guys like a lock count, and then show you guys a video of my locks thickening out or whatever. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. I just wanted to come on here and give you an update of my now locks that I am so happy about. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I hope you guys can see. I don't know if I was up close enough, but so cute. Hope you guys subscribe, share, like, comment, and stay tuned for the next upload. Thanks for watching. Bye.